In this video, competitive fitness athlete Ewelina is going to be training her legs and shoulders, using a variety of exercises such as shoulder press, kickbacks, front and side raises. Her aim today is to do at least 10 to 15 reps on each exercise to form the foundation of her workout. To supplement this kind of training, it's important to eat well, but taking Norateen Nitro will see your strength levels go through the roof. Norateen Nitro contains a double punch of testosterone and nitric oxide in one powerful formula. Ideal for gym users who want to look instantly big in the gym with the power of nitric oxide, and go on to look huge beyond the gym. Order exclusively from lamuscle.com. Ewelina starts her workout with a warm-up set, to make sure she doesn't get injured. When performing warm-up sets, make sure you are doing a controlled motion to avoid injuries. Side raises are an important exercise to hit the delts at different angles, in order to get better looking shoulders. If you want to add size, make sure you do the heaviest weight for 6 to 8 reps. This variation of front raises isolates back and shoulders more to work them harder. If you want more definition, up the reps to between 12 to 15. The shoulder press is one of the best shoulder building exercises to add size, as well as increasing strength and power. Deadlifts are a big compound move, and are recommended to be done early in the session, to maximize your effort and results. Kickbacks are one of the best lower body exercises you can do. They not only target your glutes and hamstrings but also shape up your legs and the rest of your lower body.